Hello friends, today I want to show you how to create an album on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your device and ensure you are logged in. Click on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture at the top of the section. Scroll down and tap on Photos. Now, click on the See All option and you tap on the plus sign here to create album. You'll be prompted to create an album name. You can also set who can see your posts. You tap on it and set it to your desired preference. Then you tap on Done. When you are done with the selection, you tap on the Save button at the top right corner of the screen. Now, your album has been created. You can also choose to add contributors to the album. Now you can add photos or videos by clicking on the plus sign in Photos or Videos, and you select the photos you want to add. I select a random photo here. Okay, so you click on Done at the top of the screen. Now you click on Upload. Now it will be posted to your album. That's how you create an album on Facebook. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you find this video informative and useful. Hit the like button, share and subscribe for more useful tips. Bye.